Vaseline, a popular skincare product, is widely used for moisturizing and healing purposes. Vaseline was established in 1870 and has a long history of providing skincare solutions. It is made of petroleum jelly, which is derived from refining crude oil, and undergoes a purification process. Vaseline is known for its moisturizing benefits and is considered safe and effective by the FDA. Its parent company, Unilever, has committed to eliminating animal testing and promoting ethical practices. While Vaseline's website does not explicitly state its cruelty-free status, it is moving towards a cruelty-free stance. Vaseline is considered vegan-friendly as it does not contain animal-derived ingredients. It may or may not be non-comedogenic, depending on individual skin reactions. Vaseline is not considered toxic or carcinogenic, but it's important to choose reputable brands. Vaseline and Unilever allow their products to undergo animal testing when required by law. Vaseline lacks certification from third-party cruelty-free organizations. In conclusion, Vaseline is not currently considered cruelty-free, but Unilever's commitment to ending animal testing suggests a positive direction.